Hello and welcome to my drumming videos. I guess this is video sort of number one. I did a test video last week and this will be the first one. I'm using a 2-box Drummit 5 Mark II kit. It is a electronic drum kit and it's unique in that it has a programmable brain. So this first week, I'm just going to be using the primary kit that comes with it. I've done some tweaks to it to make it sound proper and get all the right dynamics and everything else. Just going to be messing around a little bit, playing a few different styles, and I guess we'll see how it goes. All right, we'll just do, I guess, a simple rock beat. So cymbals have choke points in them, so we can choke the cymbals. The rims all have pretty good sensors on them. For the snare, it actually will make the rim shot sound when you hit that. And the neat part is that, again, I mentioned earlier, is that it is a fully programmable set. So if you actually had an acoustic snare drum, you could go and record it at all sorts of different volumes. And that then maps into the software. So each setting has its own sounds. So depending on the velocity that it's hit at, those are all, the same snare drum, recorded at different volumes, different timbres. So it allows for some pretty cool dynamic things. So if we play a kind of a funk beat, we'll give that a go here. And if you listen for the snare drum, there's a lot of expression that you can add with that. So that's kind of a neat feature, and it's the same with all the drums. So any of the samples can be recorded at multiple volumes and different settings. hopefully one of the things I'm going to do with these videos, with this channel, is to do a number of different experiments with audio settings on these individual drums. And I'm hoping I can rig up some pretty neat things. There's some ideas floating around in there. And I'm hoping we do some cool stuff with that. I'm not going to say too much more about that because I don't really know what it is yet either. Just want to talk about the hi-hat here for a second. As you can hear, there's a lot of different versions of the same sound. It's pretty cool. You can actually get pretty much the same function that you get out of a regular hi-hat with this one, which is pretty neat. The benefit of the electric kit is that things only sound so loud, so it's pretty neat hooking that all together. One thing I've noticed is that the snare drum likes to do a double hit when it's played. I haven't been able to quite figure out why. There we go. Just tightening that up seemed to make a big difference. Anyway, I guess thanks for listening, and I'll play a little bit of a beat for the outro, I guess. All right, so that is pretty much it for this week. Again, I'm just kind of getting things started up here, so there's not a whole lot of structure at this point, just kind of messing around and seeing how things go. See ya.